Hello everyone, welcome to Duanduan Mandarin. Today, we will learn how to say numbers in Mandarin. Let's start. The first number here is number 1. Can you pronounce it for me? Great. E. Can I hear your voice? Very good. Number 2. Please roll your tongue. R. Can I have your voice? Well done. Number 3. 三 Have a try, please. Very good. Number 4. 四 Can I hear your voice, please? Brilliant. Number 5. 五 Can you have a try, please? Very good. Last number for today's lesson. Number 6. 六 Can I have your voice, please? Brilliant. These 6 numbers in Chinese is super powerful. Why do we say that? Look at this new word. The pronunciation for this verb will be 星期. One more time. 星期 week. 星期. Great. Then you unblock the way to call Monday to Saturday based on that. For example, if we put 1 after 星期, we'll say 星期一 which means Monday. How do we say Tuesday then? Great. Put the number 2 after 星期. We say 星期二 Tuesday, 星期二. According to these rules, can you guess how do we say Wednesday? Great. Wednesday will be 星期三. Good. One more time. 星期三. Very good. Thursday, 星期四. 星期四. Friday, 星期五. Friday, 星期五. Last one. How do we say Saturday? Good. 星期六. 星期六. Do you think it's very easy? Except the week, we will always mention about the month. How do we say month? 月 Can I hear your voice, please? Very good. When we put the numbers in front of 月, we can use these rules to talk about the months from January to June. So, January in Chinese, we say 一月 February 二月 March 三月 April 四月 May 五月 June 六月 Get it? We have already learned plenty of new words, and I hope you really enjoyed the lesson today. I will see you next week. 再见。